you're killing it in business, but you can't get a great girl to stick around with you, give me just a few minutes and I'll show you why it's not happening. Hint, it's not your job. And how to attract a woman who's actually worth your time. So I'm gonna be very straightforward, bro. The first thing that's keeping you back from getting a quality girlfriend is that your life is boring. You're sitting at home all day, working, going to the gym. Perfect. That's amazing. But it's boring as shit. Imagine being a woman, going to your boyfriend's house, even though before you were sitting at your house. Women don't want to be a part of that. That's why the easiest fix is to at least once a week go out and have fun. By the way, like, this is not for me, this is for you. I'm telling you this just to spice up your own life, have some fun, and bring women into there as well. It's honestly extremely simple, because you might be thinking now, oh, I have days off and I don't want to sacrifice my work. Because if that's the case, yeah, you can click off this video. No woman for you, yeah, keep working, bro. For just some material possession, some money, you're gonna die alone. You don't even have no one to share that life with. If you have at least 2 brain cells, you're thinking, you know what? I want a woman in my life. So taking 1 day out of your week is gonna be all that you need. There was actually one time that I was in a convenience store. I was working my part-time job, doom scrolling on my phone. And at some point I came across like a trend. It's called like the alphabet date. And the whole point is that you have the letters of the alphabet, and for every single letter you have a new event. A is for arcade, B cooking, B is for bowling, C cooking. You get my point. And so I thought, you know what? That's fire. And honestly, at first it was like super difficult. I didn't know what to add, what to do, especially in my country, in Cyprus, bro. There's fucking nothing to do. It's literally like an island for old people and tourists that want to go to the beach here. But otherwise, it's extremely boring. I actually went to ChatGPT and I was like, you know what? Give me some recommendations. I wrote exactly where I'm at, my budget and all of that, and boom, it spit out some fantastic ideas. And so I started going out once a week with my girl, and we had so much more fun, created so many more memories without even trying that hard, trying to think, what are we gonna do today? What are we gonna do today? Nah, we have that shit there, the alphabet date. We wanna go on a date? Fuck yeah, let's do it. Let's do this, let's do that. Easy. We already have all the events lined up for at least a couple of months without even me thinking about wasting my time on that shit. And honestly, like, that's why I'm recommending you this. In the second link in the description, I have a alphabet event template for you that I've made so you can plug the ChatGPT prompt, get all the dates, maybe regenerate if you want, if you don't like the dates, whatever, plug that shit in there, and just every single week from now on, go out, have fun, meet new women there. But the next problem is that you don't know how to dress. And I'll be honest, I was the same way as well. Like a few years ago, bro, I remember wearing the shittiest clothes, running shoes with jeans and random ass t-shirts. Like, it was a fucking abomination, I'm telling you. Like, girls looked at me and were disgusted. Like, who the fuck are you? You know what I mean? Like, it was that bad. And I was thinking, you know what, why am I not getting action? And got to the point that I thought that I would actually never get a girlfriend by the time I was 18. Everyone that I knew had some action. Actually, no, not everyone, but you get my point. Like, a lot of people that I knew got some action way before me. So once I started studying different YouTubers, watching a fuck ton of videos on this shit, I started implementing the tips. Not all of them worked, but those that worked did a fantastic job. And bro, holy fuck, I'm telling you, like, I got girls here and there, and I'm not just saying that to flex on you or whatever. I'm literally saying it because that's how powerful it is. When you just take care a little bit of your fashion, and I'm not talking about becoming like a fashionista or some shit, just like wear some more fitted clothes, something like this. Open up a few buttons, bro. Show some sex appeal. Wear more neutral colors without any big ass logos or anything like that. And something different, like different shoes, rather than wearing the same Air Jordans. Wear like a pair of loafers, bro. A pair of suede loafers. Something different. Because the whole point of you becoming more attractive is wearing something that a classy man would wear and also standing out. Because if you fit into the crowd, every single fucking other guy out there wears the same shitty clothes like a fucking teenager. And so if you stand out right now, bro, I'm telling you, the women notice this shit. You might think that, oh, it's not gonna make a big difference, but it's the first thing that they notice after the hygiene, of course. But it's extremely powerful, I'm telling you. And lastly is becoming the guy mentally. So let's say, for example, there's a scale from 1 to 10. 1 being you get only guys, and super attractive, like you get all the women, the most attractive 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10s. And so you have your body here and your mind. Your body and your mind, what most people do is that they go with both, they use both, and they go step 1, step like level 2, level 3, level 4, and they get stuck on like level 5 or 6. That's where they plateau. And what the secret is to take your brain and take it straight to 10. So you have the mindset of the guy who's getting all the women, the Chad basically. And then your body will slowly catch up to your mind. To become a pro swimmer, let's say, you have to train like a pro swimmer. It just makes like a lot of fucking sense. That's the exact same thing we're talking about here. You have to have the mindset of the same guy. How much would he train? How many days a week? How many hours a day? What does he do? What's his routine? Think the exact same way of yourself whenever you're going out. Am I wearing my nice clothes today? Did I work out today? That's exactly what's gonna get you there, bro. And talking to them, by the way, as if they're like 2 out of 10s. You know when you literally had girls that were into you, that were 1 or 2 out of 10s, and you were unattracted to them, like you didn't want them at all. The funny thing is, like, when you try to kind of push them away, they came more crawling to you, because that's how women work. The more you push them away, the more they want to come to you. They're like, yo, he's playing hard to get, I want him. Now, if you use that mindset, but with women who are actually attractive, it's gonna get the same results. It's that simple, bro. You don't have to overcomplicate this shit. All these fucking coaches and YouTubers are telling you the otherwise, and giving you these like pickup lines and shit. You don't need all of that, bro. You just need to feed into your confidence with as many things as possible. Not just like the usual advice, be more confident, bro. No, dress better so that it feeds into your confidence. It makes you more confident. Like me right now, when I wear these nice clothes and these accessories, I feel like a G. And that's like one aspect of me improving my confidence, like one way of me improving my confidence. And so the more things and techniques I add that fit into my confidence, the more confident I'm gonna become, of course, and the more women I'm gonna get, because I'm way more attractive. Of course, there are like thousands of things that you can do to improve your confidence. But what are the actual essentials that don't waste your time, that make the biggest difference, the biggest change? So the women now are super attracted to you, especially quality women. I actually made a free training in the first link in the description, which you can get. Just plug in your email and boom, it's there. But now the next issue is improving your haircut, because let's be honest, bro, having the same haircut for the rest of your life, which doesn't even look good on you, is gonna fuck up your attractiveness towards women. So watch this video right here where I tell you exactly how to fix this haircut mistake. Stop wasting time, my G.